farms. Today we want to talk about morning routine at the goat farm. So the first thing we do in the morning is we wake up early and prepare the food we are going to give to the goats. This you can see in the pictures. It's a green leafy vegetables, and it contains adequate nutrients like proteins and carbohydrates, so it's very good for the goats. So the next thing we are going to do is sweep the surroundings of their exercising yard. We make it very clean. So next is we provide them water, clean drinking water. So after that, we are going to open up the goat's pen in order to give them access to the food. So in a typical goat farm, when we're talking about management, the vital things as a goat farmer is to have the key observation. So you have to be very observant. So we do a visual health check, by observing the animals as they come out. So first of all, we check for any sign of illness or injury, or we check for signs of limping or any unusual behavior. So we check for that in order to provide adequate treatment. So the next thing is we clean the goat shelter, by removing the manures and bedding. So after that, we sanitize and wash their containers, their feeding containers properly. So these are the key things to look for, and these are the things that we do in the morning on the goat farm. So after they are done with feeding, in the afternoon we supplement them with a carefully formulated feed, that contains some carbohydrates and proteins and vitamins also. So in the evening, we provide them with also supplements. So these are the general things we do in the morning or in the day in our goat farm operation every day. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.